Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to check credit score in TD Bank app. First of all, open up the TD Bank site on your web browser. Then search Understanding Your Credit and Report in the search bar. Here, you can see the response regarding your question as, will an inquiry about my credit affect my credit score? Scroll down the page and you can find more relevant questions like yours. Then tap on the first search results relevant to your query. From here, you can get to know about Check Your Credit Report. Also, you can stay on top of your credit score. TD Bank has service resources, tips and tools to help you track your credit score. You can change your account to online banking. Or you can use tips and tools to manage your identity. Tap to find out more about online banking. It has Enroll in Online Banking, download the TD Banking app. Then open up the new tab and go into Google Play, from where you can search and download TD Bank app. And follow the process as we discussed to check credit score in TD Bank. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.